Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. And for today, I'm challenging myself to the 5-minute makeup challenge. Yes! But if I do it in less than 5, maybe I'll edit this to like the 3-minute challenge. We'll see! So now I'm preparing all my stuff. It's here, the brushes are here, some of the makeup are here. I'm making sure that everything is like, I can grab everything right away. Before you start this challenge, you may want to prepare your makeup. Okay, for this look, I only used a couple of things. The Age Rewind Concealer, MAC Mineralize Powder, that Powder Puff, the Laura Mercier Eyebrow Pencil, the Kiko Eyebrow Fibers, and then the Art Deco Eyeliner, and then mascara. I also used these two brushes. One is for my blush. I chose a peachy color so that it can double as a bronzer slash blush. And then of course my sleek contour kit. Can't live without that. And then my Caudalie Beauty Elixir to fix all the powders on my face. But before you start this challenge, keep calm and carry on. Not really. Okay, so for the 5-minute makeup challenge, I'm setting my phone timer to 5 minutes, and an alarm will go off as soon as my 5 minutes are up. Let's just hope nobody calls because my phone isn't on silent. Okay, so are we ready? Okay, wait, let me hold this now. 1, 2, go! Concealer. Yeah, put it here, put it there. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no, I'll just use my hand. Oh my god! Okay, it's fine. It's 5 minutes. I can do this. More concealer. Oh good. Oh good. The redness. I used my Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. I don't think I can talk. No, I'll try to talk while doing this. I'll talk you through while doing this. So just pat it in. Don't slap your face. Don't hurt yourself. Don't poke your eye. Close it. And then no time for foundation. I'll just use my mineralized powder. Oh my god, that's already 1 minute. Oh gosh. Is it even? Oh my god. Okay. That looks good. Oh my god. That looks good. Eyebrow. No, just... Ugh. Oh my god. Just fill in the areas. No time to shape. Just make it look natural. Where has the time gone? Oh god, I should have used my Benefit. No, it's fine. This is fine. It's easier to blend this. Oh no. Oh gosh. What happened to you? I wanna see the time. And this. The most important parts I'm doing. Yeah, eyeliner. I wanted to use blue eyeliner today. Just because I'm feeling it. Yeah. Ouch. No. Oh, good. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Do it, do it. And then some blush. Bring back some color. And then my nose. Yeah, this is one important part. I don't want to skip this. I'm just blend it all in. And mascara. Careful, cat. Careful. And lip. Lip, lip, lip. And where's my spray? Of course. I'm done! Whoa! How fast was I? Okay, I stopped it and there's 19 seconds left. I'm done! I did it! What do you think? Oh my god, let me see, let me see. I did it! There! I'm so happy and proud of myself. I can now honestly say or tell people that, okay, 5 minutes, I'm just gonna do my face. I can do that now. I can really do it. Coolness. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications button to see more of my videos. See you again soon. Bye.